where you see stakes with the orange paint on them, we numbered them, and I raised them with the GPS so that we can put our application in for this to be a Texas Historical Cemetery. Right here is my great aunt, my great grandmother's sister, Sally Nobles. My great grandfather, Fred King. Mostly all of these stones you're gonna see out here are slaves. This is S. Bates. He's kin to the Mr. Fair and them, I think. This is Elmer Pope. He's kin to me on my great grandmother's sister married, and that Pope comes down there. And we see that most of them are buried. Families are buried in a line, somewhat of a line. Now he's back where he belongs. I'm saying as a man, I don't know. But I'm gonna call this the loving stones because they are meaty, you know what I mean? I don't know who's who, but I'm gathering that's a man and his wife, okay? And then we gotta dig that one up, get it propped up. All the ones that are laying down, get them propped up. But my great-grandmother and great-grandfather, all of them are out here. And great-great-great-grandparents are out here. Where, I don't know. But, you know, the thing is that we clean the cemetery off and trying to preserve it for historical sakes, you know, legacy, you know. But over here's the known. I straightened this one up a while ago. I straightened up the foundation a little bit, and but this right here, this is Annie Scruggs. I think she's kin to me on my mother's side, but this gentleman right here, this is far back as we can find graves, is right here. We can't find any more rocks back there, but that doesn't mean there's not any graves back there. So we're gonna fence in the whole thing, but we gotta get this cleared out. Leave the big tree, get all the stuff out like we did this. Elijah Pope he's kin to me. Over here we have I can't read his name. Oh, looks like a poke. P-O, is that a P? Looks like a P-O-A something. Can't read it. Maybe I had to do infrared on that one to see if I can pull it out. When you leave here, you're gone. And I want to leave something for a lot of 16 of my relatives are buried out here. I only know where 2 are. So it means a lot to me to get it cleaned off, to preserve the history for my family and other families that have people buried out here, and for Gonzales County and the state. You know what I mean? So it's a little work, but I think I can see, you know, what we've done and how, you know, how it's going to impact. And hopefully we can get some people to come out here and see it and get interested in it and go from there. But we are going to apply for it to be a Texas Historical Cemetery. Get a marker put out there and everything. So you just can't let this much history go to waste. You just can't do that.